Automatic reminders are now sent following submitting an RSVP of yes on an event and sent 24 hours prior to the event where an RSVP of yes was submitted. Note that your event does need RSVPs enabled. Watch the Create an Event tutorial to see how to enable RSVPs for your event. So I'm going to submit an RSVP of yes to attend this event. This is the automatic message received following the RSVP, which includes the event details, the chance to view the event by clicking View Event, or add it to a calendar by clicking Add to Calendar. This is the automatic message received 24 hours prior to the event, where the event details are provided, and the event can be directly accessed by clicking View Event. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email ExperienceBU@brocu.ca.